Today I'm going to tell you how I make my YouTube videos, including the camera I use, the microphone, the lights, the background. But here's the thing, my videos are just shot in a normal room. Like this. So now I'm going to show you around the studio by using the DJI Ronin S, and I will go over and explain how I optimize and use every bit of camera equipment. First of all, let's talk about the camera. I use a Sony a6300 with an 18-105 f4 lens. I think this is a great setup for YouTube as it's not overly expensive, but it provides great image quality, and with the 18-105 lens I can get a tight shot or I can get a more wide shot. Now let's move on to the next piece of equipment I use. Secondly, I use a Rode VideoMic Go. Now this microphone automatically turns on, so you don't have to worry about turning it on before starting to record. It's got great features. It sounds good. Well, I think it sounds good. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section below. And it's just a great all-round and cheap microphone for anyone that wants to get into filmmaking or is just starting out on YouTube. I have 3 lights in my videos. I have one over there that's looking up to create a bounce off the ceiling. Then I have another light which is to light half of my face. Then I have a red light here which creates a little bit more colour in my shots. The lights I use are made by PMS and they're 30-watt LED lights. Now these lights are really bright and also have softboxes, which makes the light look more soft and not as harsh in the shots to sort of lose some shadows, but then I create a light shadow almost with this red light over here. Then in my background I have a clapperboard and I have a wooden camera which says photography possibilities, which is my Instagram. Now go follow that if you want to see some photography that I do. Then it gives the shot less of a plain look and is more symmetrical as I'm in the middle and then I have 2 things each beside of me. Now this is why I use stuff in my background. Also my background is a grey wall because it's a neutral colour and it's not too distracting for you, because if it was a really bright colour like red or like green, it would be too distracting and you wouldn't know where to look in the video. So that's how I make my videos. If you liked it and you got something out of it, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.